uy, di junta kinahanglan mapurdoy kung Valentine's Day, no? So, hi everyone, this is Gwen, and it's another Thursday today, and I actually just came back from a date. Yes, so muna to akong Valentine's date actually kay kabadyo ko nga ugma medyo grabe na jud ang traffic sa Cebu, di na jud siya mada kay traffic na gali siya ganina, so unsa pa ugma nga ang tanang tao manggawas kay manglaag ug mag-date-date. But mo na ako ang nabantayan from previous years na Valentine's Day nga for some reason after Valentine's Day, and especially kay for most people sweldo na ugma, mahurot jud ang ilang kwarta after Valentine's Day. Like they would spend around 700 to 1,500 or even more just for that one occasion. Mo siyang Pasko sa mga nag-uyab o sa mga nangitag-uyab o bisag sa mga single o nagmaoy, di ba? Mong gasto gihapon, inom, eating out, whatever it is, money is abundant anang adlaw. So especially because payday tomorrow, I actually want to share with you the top 10 things nga pwede na to buhaton para makasave ta karong Valentine's Day. So the first one is actually to take advantage of the 2-for-1 dinners. So kanang wala ko kita kaayo og 2-for-1 dinners so far this year, but I know nga last year na ato sa kanang sa mga malls kita kog mga kananan sa malls that offer 2 meals for the price of one. Actually gikan ko sa gym, Gold's Gym. Pwede ba mo mention a brand, but gikan ko actually sa Gold's Gym ganina, and nag-inquire ta mi silang rates, and they just informed us na they are actually offering 2-for-1 memberships. So imagine na bisag gym nag-offer na ana. So I'm sure makita mo o kananan nga nag-offer sa ana nga rates, and it's really cheap. You get to save half its worth, right? Am I right? Did I say that right? Anyways, tip number 2, spend time with each other instead of buying gifts. Kani makaingon jud ko nga any day is actually Valentine's Day if you just put effort to it. Ang love hindi kailangang mahal. Char. Number 3, cook at home. So I remember jud ko before no nga when I used to go out during Valentine's Day, I remember one cafe that offered a heart-shaped pizza that was twice the price of a regular pizza just because heart-shaped siya. So nakiuso ang pizza o nakiuso sa diyang presyo, which is very kanang dili siya practical, no? Kay it's the same taste, the same everything, ang nakalahi ra jud kay instead of lingin siya, mo siyang heart, nanimahala noon siya. Ngano di ay. So kana siya, if you want to avoid that kanang pauso, then you can actually just cook at home, whether it's a meal for 2 or even like desserts like cakes. If you know how to bake, if you know how to cook, why not just do it at home? Saves you tons of money. Don't really need to spend. You can go on a picnic or whatever, or magdungan mo lunch sa imong significant other, or if single ka and na kay crush sa office or sa school, then cook for them or bake them something and give it to them, you know. Or if you're single, independent men and women, then you can actually just cook or bake for your friends and for your fellow single but happy peers. So kana. Fourth one is don't buy flowers. So flowers are super expensive karong mga panahona. Like you would not believe the usual 200 peso flowers. Last year I know kinindagan siya around 800 to 1,000. So imagine ang markup price nila. It's insane. Dili siya para na kuno, it's not worth it unless if you have a lot of money to burn. You might as well buy those things nga makaon, like itong mga bouquets nga makaon, if you're really like feeling the need to buy a bouquet for someone, then kato na lang mga pagkaon nga bouquet, mas maayo pa na kay it's a bouquet and it's something to eat, and that's just the best. Two in one, always the best. But I would suggest no, don't buy flowers. It's not worth it. Not in this season. I think for me lang personally, I would prefer nga makadawat ko og flowers, not on Valentine's Day, just on random regular days. Mas ma-appreciate na nako kaysa makiuso. Next one is watch movies at home instead of going out to the movies. So to avoid again the traffic, the long line outside of the cinemas, and even the long line padung uli kanang magsakay na mo padung sa jeep or magatang mo sa taxi, taas kayo ang linya, plus mas mahal if mag-grab mo, mas dako sila markup sad. So instead of paying for all those unnecessary expenses and wasting so many hours lining up and the traffic and whatnot, why not just Netflix and chill? It's awesome. Like I'm telling you, one way siguro no nga mas special ang inyong Netflix and chill Valentine's edition is you buy or cook the things that or the type of food nga paborito sa inyong partner. So say like ako, I know that my partner loves Filipino style spaghetti. So maybe tomorrow we can just do Netflix and chill, and I'll cook him spaghetti. Okay, I always have that in our pantry just when the need arises, and Valentine's Day is a need nga mag-save. Am I making sense? Medyo lutaw na ko, guys. Okay, it is 10. It's 10 in the evening, and I promised myself that a video is going to go out tonight, or actually 2 days. So that's why I'm filming this, and I'm going to edit and post what I'm going to do this tonight before Valentine's Day. Para sa makita mo ani yung maka-realize mo nga di day mo kinahanglan mo spend tomorrow. Okay. Next. Don't celebrate on Valentine's Day. Celebrate the day after. So why did I emphasize the word after? Or at least ako siyang makita mo? Anyways, bold din ako siya diri sa akong notes. The reason for that is usually ang kanang mga dili mahalin on the Friday is going to be on sale on Saturday. So, daghan ka nag-sale right after Valentine's Day, just like in Christmas or any other holiday. After the holidays, it's going to be marked down. Kay wala naman siya sa uso. But better nga dira mo celebrate. In case for us, we actually opted to celebrate Valentine's Day today, which is the day before the actual celebration. Kay para di na mi masuya I mean dili man jud mi masuya, but at least kanang wala na, it's okay, everything's good. And we just had coffee, which is our usual date night, but coffees are always special, especially if you know actually naman ko may rules, so for share lang ko during date nights, we do not talk about work, we do not talk about like anything na maka-stress na mo. We just talk about our relationship, our future, our the things that we aspire to doing, the things nga naka-inspire na mo during the week, or something nga positive nga ganahan na mo i-share with each other. So that's how we spend date nights, and well, every date night is Valentine's Day for us. So, you know. Anywho, so kana. Number 7. 7 is create DIY cards and gifts, because it's always the thought that counts. So kani matuod jud ko ani. Me and my partner are very fond of giving each other love letters, and that's on random days. Again, I must appreciate na ko nga mas random ang panghatag o anything. But I'm just saying this because you can actually, instead of buying things, why not, like if you're not good at creating cards, why not just put your heart out and paper and just create a love letter for your loved one, just to like tell them how much you appreciate them, other than, you know, the usual I love you sa text or sa chat. Why not create a letter for them? And I think that's extra special, and mas ma-remember siya, diba? Kung dili nimo kaya tan-awon ang imong kaugalingon dahil nga agi, why not type it and then print it? It should mahal ang printer, seryoso. 5, pinakamahal kay 15. Diba? Okay. Next. 8. Take advantage of coupons. So, pwede ko mag-share? Ay, kapoy. Basta, I actually collect coupons. And these days, gamit kayo. Kababo nga daghang coupons during December and January. Daghan dyan ng mga hatag o coupons. So, save those up. If you haven't already saved it, then maybe it's like, this is kind of like a good reminder that you should start saving it, especially if ang expiry ang coupon kay next year pa, March. Usually mga March or June man ang ma-expire ang mga coupons. You can save that para magamit nimo for next year's Valentine's Day. But if you're able to get coupons now, if you have coupons now, then why not use it, right? So sa usa mo coupons sa imong partner, because it's usually 1 coupon per transaction. Yes, daghan ko Jollibee nga coupons. Number 9, go on a date on places that doesn't require you to spend money. So I actually posted some of the places that I think doesn't require money. It's in Facebook. Maybe I'll put it in the description below. So if you're in Cebu, then you can check out the description box. And then, yeah, you'll be able to see some of the places that I think does not require you to spend lots and lots of money. But you can still spend time with your partner or with your crush or with your friends, and, you know, get those quality times and those love feelings. Up it up. Next, don't buy into the hype. So muna ang pinaka kanang top tip. I've saved the best for last. Don't buy into the hype. Again, I've mentioned time and again aning a video nga it's actually better to do special things at random days. Like, you don't have to wait sa Valentine's Day para lang to show the person that you love how much you love them. You can do it any time of the day, any time of the week, any time of the year, and mas maayo nga multiple times in a month. Kay you have to fill up the love tank of the people you love. Don't let it go empty. And I think sabot man siguro mo na, di ba? Because you as a person who's watching me right now has a love tank, and dili mo ganahan nga makaka-feel mo nga neglected kay mo sa inyong partner, di ba? Sakit kay na. So, why not do that to the person you love? Don't let them feel neglected sila. I think that's the best way that you can show them that you love them and that they can feel that every day is Valentine's Day. So, kato na. I hope I made sense. I try not to like make this so long. I'm going to edit it as best as I can para di ka siya taas. But yes, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful, wonderful Valentine's Day. Again, don't get into the hype, but I'm not saying dili lang sad mo greet sa inyong loved ones o happy Valentine's Day, or more ka ng cold dressad kay mo tomorrow kay para di lagi mo bahay sa hype. Ayaw sad. It's just that you don't have to spend tons of money. You don't have to like go all out tomorrow kay Valentine's Day. No, you don't need to do that. You just have to make the person that you love feel that they are special and that they are truly loved, because again, your best life starts when you decide. Good night, everyone, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye. Hey guys, thanks so much for making it through the end of the video. Kaya kabalo ko nga usahay magpatakara ko storya. Those are really my ramblings. This is a vlog after all. But to show you my appreciation of finishing the whole video, I would like to give you a very not so secret. Ta-da! I am getting married. Whoop 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 whoop. But so yes, I am getting married. It is going to be this year, and to kay ganahan man ko nga ma-document ako ang the process of getting married and all that kay um I am going to do random vlogs, just posting randomly as a supplement sa ako usual postings. Yes, so watch out for that. It's actually interesting. Kai, um, it's going to be, or actually na nagkuan mi kanang nagplano mi nga. We're going to challenge ourselves because we're really into finance and we don't want to be in debt. Um, while getting married. So we've decided to push ourselves to limit our wedding budget to 50K. So most of the people nga mo ang gistoryaan ana nga goal kay weird ako here. Niabot na siya sa kaning rebellious stage niya. Anyways, kana most of the people nga mo ang gistoryaan kay ningon nga listo jud daw mag 50K nga wedding. So let's see if we can make that happen. Hopefully we can make that happen. So again, watch out for my vlogs. I will be posting them randomly in this channel. Bye!